everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly. I hope everybody's having a great day so far. Excuse my voice today. I'm getting over a cold, so hopefully it doesn't bother y'all too much. Today I'm going to make chicken bacon Alfredo roll-ups. Now I found this recipe online and I thought this would be a great recipe to try and make. This is the first time I'm making it, so hopefully it turns out good and hopefully you'll enjoy the video and the recipe. Now for this recipe you will need 1 pound of cooked bacon chopped in pieces, 2 cups of shredded chicken cooked, and about 8 ounces of mozzarella cheese shredded, or 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, but you can shred a 8-ounce block of cheese if you want. Grated Parmesan cheese, and that will be 1 cup. You will also need 4 ounces of cream cheese, so you don't need the whole pack, and a 1/2 cup of butter or 1 stick of butter, a 1/2 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, some pepper and salt to taste, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, and you will need about 8 to 9 lasagna noodles. In a medium to large pot, melt your butter and cream cheese and your heavy whipping cream, and you want to melt this until it's smooth. Add the garlic powder, the minced garlic, and make sure you whisk this really well. It can start to burn, so make sure you whisk it constantly. Add salt and pepper to taste. And then add your Parmesan cheese and whisk this really well, and you want that to be all incorporated. Add 1 cup of the Alfredo sauce to a 9 by 13 inch oven safe pan or dish. Add your bacon pieces, then add your shredded chicken, and be sure to coat both with that Alfredo sauce, and it should be a thick consistency. Now make sure that your noodles are al dente. You don't want them completely cooked because they're going to cook the rest of the way in the oven, but add just a little bit and then of the mixture onto the noodle and then roll it up, and then when you get to the end there, add a little bit more and then finish rolling it up. And then you want to put this in the pan that you have with the sauce, seam down, and continue doing this for the remaining noodles that you have left. Now when you're putting the mixture onto the noodle, do not go all the way to the end. That way as you roll it up, that mixture does not fall out of the noodle. Now make sure you're putting this into a 9 by 13 inch oven safe pan with that sauce on the bottom. Now I had the mixture left over, and what you're supposed to do is put that mixture that you have left on top of the noodle. I did not do that. So as it was in the oven cooking, I went ahead as it melted and just kind of spooned it on top of the mozzarella that was already there. And as it baked, I put just a little bit more mozzarella on top, and it worked out fine. So add your mozzarella cheese, but before that you should add any of the mixture that you have left on top of the noodles, and then just put a little bit of the mozzarella on top of that. But this is how they turned out. I think they turned out great. They tasted really delicious. For the first time making this, this will definitely be on my menu plan again. So it's a great recipe, very tasty. I just served it with some broccoli and some garlic bread, and my husband loved it, so, and I did too, so definitely will be a redo. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing more videos like it, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a blessed day.